Welcome back to my channel, Hema's Classroom. So today in this class, we will learn about vowels. So as we all know that in English alphabet, we have 26 letters. And among 26 letters, 5 letters are very special. So the 5 letters are A, E, I, O, U. These are very special letters and they have special sound also. So are you ready to learn with me? Firstly, you all have to show me your hands like this. Okay, now you all have to write these 5 alphabets in your fingers like this. A, E, I, O, U. Come on, do it fast. Done? Okay, now let's start. We will sing a song. So firstly, this A. So, I am the letter A, A, A. I am the letter A, A, A. And I make the sound eh, eh, eh. I make the sound eh, eh, eh. Now come to the next letter. I am the letter E, E, E. I am the letter E, E, E. I make the sound A, A, A. I make the sound A, A, A. Like red, like cat. Now come to the next letter. I am the letter I, I, I. I am the letter I, I. I make the sound E, E, E. I make the sound E, E, E. Like pin, like bin. Now come to the next letter. I am the letter O, O, O. I am the letter O, O, O. I make the sound O, O, O. I make the sound O, O, O. Like pot, like rod. Okay. Now come to the last letter, that is U. I am the letter U, U, U. I am the letter U, U, U. I make the sound ah. I make the sound ah. Like, you tell. Come on. Like sun, like bun. Very good. So, you all have to repeat this song. It will really help you a lot. अगर आप इस तरीके से इस vowels को learn करेंगे तो कभी भी नहीं भूलेंगे. And try this also. A, E, I, O, U. So, can you tell me how many vowels do we have? We have 5 vowels. Name them. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? So, if you like this video, like, comment and share and subscribe. और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लर्न करेंगे CVC वर्ड्स, हाउ टू मेक CVC वर्ड्स, ओके, विद ईच वॉवल. ओके, सो like this video. Thank you.